Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have 7 coins. They're all 1 shilling coins, but the big difference is here that they are all silver or have silver content. The first one here is from George VI. It is from the year 1939 and it shows the Scottish lion on the top of the crown. This is a Scottish lion rampant on top of the crown. He's holding the two battens of state. I can't remember exactly what they're called. I think one has a dove on it and the other one has a cross or something. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. This coin, being issued after 1920, is 50% silver. The George VI coin from 1939 is a Scottish one, and it has a mintage of 11,052,600. Now we have some George V coins here. I'll show you the portrait of one of them because they are all the same portrait. So I'll show you the portrait of this, and on the rest of them I'll just be showing you the reverses. This is the portrait of George VI, and this first one is from 1934. Shows the English lion on top of the crown. This has and with it being after 1920, it's 0.5 silver. This 1934 coin has a mintage of 6,138,400. This coin is 1930. Comic 1934, I think, yeah, and it's the English lion on top of the crown. It's the English lion patent. It's standing, and it's 1934 coin, which has a mintage of 6,138,400. This is a 1936 coin again. The English lion above the crown, and this 1936 minted coin has a mintage of 11,910,600. There are 3 more coins to go. Let's get into the thingy. Here we go, George V again, and this one is from 1936. Whoops. This one is from 1930. 1933. And it's the English lion again. They're all English lions, believe it or not, on these lot. So this 1933 coin has a mintage of 11,511,600. I had to look at the dates of the coins because they're all very close in year dates. This is a 1933 coin, and the mintage is 1933. It's 1931. Sorry. $1931 coin, and it has a mintage of 6,983,900. And the last one is the 1935 coin, which has a mintage of 9,183,400. So the 5 George V coins were 1935, 9,000,000 183,400. The 1939 coin is 11,052,600. The 1931 coin is 6,983,900. The 1934 coin is 6,138,400. The 1930, sorry, that was 1934. 1936 is 11,910,600. And finally, the 1933 coin was 11,511,600. And the Georgia 6 coin for 1939 was 11,052,600. These coins are silver 0.5. They were minted after 1920, so therefore they can only be 0.5. 0.5 silver, which is still a nice set of silver to have. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe? I am trying to get to 250 subscribers by the end of this year, being it's now the end of May 2023, and I'm trying to get to 250 by the end of December 2023. So I'm currently in the mid 170s, so it is doable, but it's I'm going to need a lot of help from people like yourselves. I do a minimum of 4 and sometimes more videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.